How to fix TikTok not letting you message. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Go to your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings at the top right. Scroll down and click on Privacy. After you click on Privacy, scroll down, you'll find Direct Messages. Click on it and go to Permission Settings at the top. And who can send you messages? Select Potential Connections, Requests, Back, Others on TikTok, Requests. And after you do this, they will be able to request and you will be able to accept and message them. This is how to fix TikTok not letting you message. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.